It is no secret that dengue and malaria are on the rise. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has taken cognizance of this serious matter and has vowed to make sure that his constituency doesn't fall prey to vector-borne diseases. Lobo has said that he has given instructions to the Kalangut Primary Health Center to take up necessary steps to make sure that nobody is affected from these diseases.
Health officer of the Primary Health Center of Kandolem. This is the season of transmission of vector-borne diseases. So when the rains come, and especially when they go, there is a lot of transmission happening of vector-borne diseases like malaria, dengue, etc. And it happens basically because after the rains go, there is water collection in the surrounding areas. We have done a number of drives in Kalangut, Kandoli and other villages also. Okay, and we have shown the locals along with the concerned Panch member also where in small receptacles we find that there is water collection, and in that water collection we have shown them the larvae of the mosquitoes being bred. Okay, so many people around here have appreciated the work done by us. So to start with, we in fact had a meeting in Kalangut, especially just the limit to Kalangut. We have had a meeting in every wado in Kalangut where the attendance was more than 13, some places even 50 people had come. And the meeting, which was supposed to be planned, which was planned basically for 15 minutes, carried on for 2 hours. And the people were hungering actually for information of what the health center could do and what they could do. And they were so happy that the health center actually came and talked to them in their own wado and told them what they could do and how they could work out. And in every meeting, we have about 5 to 7 volunteers who are willing to help in this control of vector-borne diseases during this transmission period. We have also formed a WhatsApp group with them. Our Sarpanch is there with us, Panch members are also there. And now we are planning to do some ward-wise special activities. One of the first activities that we have already done, in fact 2 already done, one was done last Saturday, which was the introduction of larvivorous fish. So the people themselves from Khobravado, Dr. Amelia, she is a dentist, she took the leadership there along with Sean, and they made a list of wells, okay, where fish could be introduced. So we brought the fish from various sources together and we introduced fish in 54 wells in Khobravado, which was a great success. Now the next wado is already lined up. They have lined up to me 60 wells. So we are in the process of getting fish. Probably if not Saturday, then Monday we will be able to provide them fish in the respective wells, so that the people themselves come, they take it and they put it in the well. So the whole concept is changing now from the health department going and acting like a strict policeman. The people are volunteering themselves and they are taking up the leadership to control vector-borne diseases in their area. Now in these meetings we also talk to them about the various signs and symptoms of the illnesses and how they could take care of themselves during the period. We also brought them to the notice of the various tests done, the validity of the tests done, and not to get afraid of the test when it comes positive, rather take all precautions necessary from their point of view to get better. These days there are a lot of viral fevers around and number of tests of viral markers are coming positive, and the people have understood the benefit of fluid intake. Okay, so when you get fever, usually patients have 1 or 2 glasses of water, they are on bed because they don't want to get up and have fluids. So we insist on the family members to give them the fluids, and we have also told in each ward, in case any patient who is having fever is unable to take oral fluids, bring him to our hospital, we will put IV fluids. It is a matter of 5 to 7 days to tide over the crisis. They come with severe headache, so it is unbearable for them. त्रास जाता बरेच. So ते त्रास कमी करपाक ते फ्लुइड आमी IV fluid घातल्या उपरांत ते 2 दिसांनी सारके बरे जावन खूब लोक घरा गेल्या. And they have found this benefit out of it. You tuka चडशे in dengue one you rarely have death. It's very rare to have death. Okay, so they usually recover in 2-3 days, maximum 5 days they recover and they are back to normal. The whole treatment of dengue and also the there is fluid. Oral fluids घेवंक जाय. If you have oral fluids and you maintain your balance of fluids, then there is no issue. Issue केन्ना जाता, fluid level देंवता. Fluid level देंवलो, cell level वाडटा, रगत दाट जाता, organaंक पावना. Then the question of worsening comes in. So आमी लोकांक सगळ्या वाड्यांनी सांगलां, if anybody gets fever, you forget the diagnosis. You can do the treatment, investigations. But first thing, before even you do the investigations, have fluid intake. 5 to 6 liters of udak घेतले, glucose पिये, दूध पिये, soap पिये, knees पिये, your choice. But have fluids, that the balance remains. When we have the balance, we do that test called PCV, packed cell volume or hematocrit. That tells us whether the patient is worsening or not worsening. Okay, so the hematocrit should be around 45. तो वाढलो 50, 55 झालो म्हणजे उदक कमी हा, cell वाढला, then we really have to admit and push IV fluids. So moment you get fever, munis उदक पियेना, bring him to hospital, we put fluids. Our primary health center is free. There is no
Showers in Goa have just passed and light showers are witnessed. And we have seen a little rise in vector-borne diseases, especially खुबशे जाणांक जोर येता. जोर येयले काय ते प्रायवेट डॉक्टराशेन वयता, खंय तरी टॅबलेट घेता आनी तांकां दिसता की आपूण जालो म्हणून बरो. They need to check the blood, especially in this coastal belt where there is a lot of population of migrants staying, and they keep the water filled up for 7 days also in big buckets. ड्रामांनी उदक भरून दवरता, केन्ना तें उदक यूज जायना, 7 दिसा यूज करता ते, तितून हे मस्किटो ब्रीथ आनी म्हाका दिसता आयज प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर आमचे काम बरें करता, तेच्या वांगडा विलेज कमिटीज आहा ते काम बरें करता, पंचायतूय तांकां हेल्प करता. पूण हिंगासर जे आमचे लोकल लोक कोस्टल बेल्टाक जे मायग्रंटांक तेंच्यांनी धाकटुल्यो झोपड्यो घालून दवरल्या, जे बांदल्या तेंच्या प्रॉपर्टीन आनी तांकां रावपाक दिता, where they get some income every month, but they need to take utmost care to see that there is a toilet built for them, there are septic and soap pits built for them, and water is not collected from the tap and kept in the drums. तितून त्यो diseases start जावप, especially dengue. And if there are no soap pits, septics, ते उदक जेन्ना कलेक्ट जाता तिंगा मलेरिया जाता. ते डर्टी वॉटरान, सिवेज वॉटरान मलेरिया जावप. म्हाका दिसता हें काम ह्या लोकांनी, स्पेशली स्थानीक लोक जे हिंगा रावता तेंच्यांनी आमचेरूच डिपेंड रावप ना, तेणी आपले सरावंडींग आपूण क्लीन करप, हें इम्पॉर्टंट आहा. कित्याक आमी पळयलां की कोस्टल बेल्टाक सावंता वाडो जावं, खोबरा वाडो जावं, आगार वाडो जावं, हिंगासर आमचे लोकल लोक टू गेट सम रेगुलर इनकम दे हॅव बिल्ड सम शेड्स एंड गिवन ऑन रेंट. जेन्ना तांकां गव्हर्मेंट सपोर्ट करता, पंचायत सपोर्ट करता, बट एट द सेम टायम दे नीड टू टेक केअर ऑफ that they give basic amenities to those people who are staying inside, because they are the people who will spread the vector-borne diseases. हे जे मायग्रंट हिंगा रावतात तेच स्प्रेड करतले, आनी जेन्ना ओनराच्या भुरग्यांक ही मस्किटो चाबप तेन्ना ती तेंचे दोळे ओपन जाता. बट दे आर पुटिंग अदर पीपल ऑल्सो, नेबर्स एट रिस्क. दे आर putting people from Kalangut at risk. This should not happen. So they need to take care that they build proper shades for them if they are keeping migrants. They need to see that they have a tank for water collection, proper bathrooms, septic and soap pit, so that whatever water they use goes directly in the septic and soap pit, and they are not letting water on the road or in the drain or collected at the behind their house. हे सगळे डिजीजीस स्टार्ट जावप थिंगासून. म्हाका दिसता ह्या दिसांनी जेन्ना सॅनिटायझेशन आमी स्टार्ट केलें तितून आमकां खुबशे अशे शेड्स दिसोन येयल्ले आहा. पंचायतीच्या कमिटीज, ज्यो हेल्थ कमिटीज आहा तांकां दिसोन येयल्ले आहा. आमी रिक्वेस्ट करता ऑल द पीपल हू हॅव गिवन दीस टायप ऑफ हावजीस, तुमी जो तर सुविधा सारकी करची ना, वी वील टेक नेसेसरी एक्शन. तुमी तांकां सो तर सारकी ती फॅसिलिटी दिना जाल्यार आमी ते शेडी इवन काडपाक फाटीं सरचे ना. इतल्याकूच लागून काडटले की तुमी दुसऱ्याचें लायफ रिस्कार घेवन उडोवपाक जायना, जस्ट बिकॉज यू वॉन्ट टू मेक सम मनी. वी वॉन्ट यू टू मेक मनी बट नॉट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ अदर पीपल. यू गिव देम द फॅसिलिटी एंड कीप द पीपल इनसायड. फॅसिलिटी तुमी दिना, तुमकां दिसता की आमकां 3,000 4,000 म्हयन्याक अशेंच मेळोंक जाय बेश्टी पोत्री घालून, तशें जावचें ना. You have to give them septic, soap pit and a toilet and proper टँक टू फील वॉटर. नाजाल्यार हे वॅक्टर डिजीजीस चालूच उरतल्यो आनी कितलो तेंप म्हणून आनीक हेल्थ सेंटरांनी एवरी टायम येवन थिंगा फॉगिंग करप, थिंगा चॅक करप उदक आहा वो ना ते तुमी कशें उदक भरता, कशें उदक सारता, भायर उदक तुमी उडयता. आय थिंक दीस इज द बेसीक थिंग वॉट द पीपल शूड लर्न फर्स्ट. थँक्यू.